Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who chaired the Union Constitution Committee? Correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the head of the Union Powers Committee? Correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who chaired the Provincial Constitution Committee? Correct answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the chairman of the Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal and Excluded Areas? Correct answer is option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who chaired the States Committee for Negotiating with States? Correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the chairman of the Steering Committee? The correct answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. Who chaired the Rules of Procedure Committee? Correct answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the Finance and Staff Committee? Correct answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. Who chaired the Order of Business Committee? Correct answer is option D, K.M. Munshi. Who was the chairman of the Fundamental Rights Subcommittee? Correct answer is option C, J.B. Kripalani. Who chaired the Minorities Subcommittee? Correct answer is option D, H.C. Mukherjee. Who was the chairman of the Northeast Frontier Tribal Areas and Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee? Correct answer is option C, Gopinath Bordoloi. Who chaired the Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas other than those in Assam Subcommittee? Correct answer is option B, A.B. Thakkar. Who was the chairman of the House Committee? Correct answer is option A, B. Pattabi Sitaramaya. Who chaired the AD Committee on the National Flag? Correct answer is option D, Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option D, G.B. Mavalankar. Who chaired the Special Committee to examine the draft Constitution? Correct answer is option B, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Who was the chairman of the Credentials Committee? Correct answer is option A, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Who chaired the Committee on Chief Commissioners Provinces? Correct answer is option C, B. Pattabi Sitaramaya. Who was the chairman of the Expert Committee on Financial Provinces? Correct answer is option B, K.C. Neogi. Who chaired the Linguistic Provinces Commission? Correct answer is option D, S.K. Dhar. Who was the chairman of the Committee on the Effect of the Indian Independence Act of 1947? Correct answer is option A, B.N. Rao. Who chaired the Press Gallery Committee? Correct answer is option A, U.N. Devar. Who was the chairman of the Hindi Translation Committee? Correct answer is option C, Ghanshyam Gupta. Who chaired the Urdu Translation Committee? Correct answer is option B, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who was the chairman of the Committee on the Judiciary? Correct answer is option B, S. Bordacharya. Who chaired the committee on the Union Executive? Correct answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the chairman of the Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities? Correct answer is option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who chaired the Committee on the Union Judiciary? Correct answer is option A. S. Bordacharya. The committee that dealt with minorities was chaired by. Correct answer is option D. H.C. Mukherjee. Who chaired the Committee on Chief Commissioners, Provinces and Balochistan? Correct answer is option B. B. Pattabi Sitaramaiah. Who was the chairman of the Committee for the National Language? Correct answer is option D. B.G. Kher. Who chaired the Committee on Financial Provinces of the Constitution? Correct answer is option C. K.C. Neogi. Who chaired the committee responsible for allocating seats to each provinces? Correct answer is option A. Dr. Sachinananda Sinha. Who chaired the Committee on Constitutional Advice? The correct answer is option D. B.N. Rao. Which committee was responsible for the detailed draft of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B. Drafting Committee. The Committee on Fundamental Rights was the subcommittee under which larger committee? Correct answer is option C. Advisory Committee. Who was both chairman of the Constituent Assembly and some of its key committees? Correct answer is option A. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following committees dealt with the integration of princely states? Correct answer is option C. States Committee. Who among the following was not a chairman of any committee in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which committees was primarily responsible for deciding on India's fundamental rights? Correct answer is option B. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. Which committee helped finalize the structure of the Federal Government of India? Correct answer is option A. Union Constitution Committee. Which committee's work led to the formation of linguistic states later? Correct answer is option A. S.K. Dhar Committee. Which member played a key role as constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B. B.N. Rao. On which of the following day observed as Constitution Day? The correct answer is option D. 26th November.